have breakfast. By the time you reach to have breakfast, you're done probably lose your appetite. It's sounding funny, but I'm telling you people, you messing up your mind big time. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. I am Chrissy, and today we are going to discuss the bad habits that keep you from manifesting what it is you need to manifest in your life. Yes, you have been doing these bad habits that has keeping you back. When it is you're supposed to be moving forward, when things supposed to be happening in your life, is you. Yes, it is you. And I will say to myself, it is me. It is me who is keeping back. We are keeping back ourselves, people. Things that we need to stop doing. So, without any further ado, right? Let me just tell you these things, right? So, I hope you all are taking notes, things to stop doing. So, number one thing, stop procrastinating. Stop procrastinating, people. We keep peeping back ourselves. You know, if it is you keep procrastinating over and over and over, how you expect to manifest things in your life? If it is you keep putting off. Every day is like tomorrow. I'll do it next hour. I'll do it next week. I'll do it soon. And you ain't putting a date on it, and you keep putting off and expect it to happen just like that. Things does not work like that. It does not work. Life does not work like that. You can't keep putting off stuff and expect things to happen. The whole thing is you need to take action. What is causing you to procrastinate? You need to find out what is causing you to procrastinate. Sometimes it's because the particular task is hard, right? Let's say the particular task is hard, right? My whole thing is do it first. Do not study the easy task. Do the harder task first. Trust what I'm saying. Do the harder task first, because you'll get to realize that doing the harder task first will cause less stress on you. Because if it is you keep putting off, right? The harder task will be there waiting on you, and you'll be saying, oh gosh, I have to do this, boy. Oh gosh, I have to go and clean that room, boy. Oh gosh, I have to clean this car. Oh gosh, I have to go and pick up this. And just like that, it become a burden to you because you keep putting it off, right? So my thing is, take action, do it, right? My mentor spoke about something called the reptilian brain. The reptilian brain, no, we're not talking about snakes, we're not talking about reptiles. The reptilian brain does not hesitate to do anything. It just goes like a flight or fight kind of mode. Like when it is a lion is running down a deer, their reptilian mode, just start running, pick up speed and get away. That is what the reptilian brain. Why am I telling you about the reptilian brain? Reptilian brain does not procrastinate. No hesitation whatsoever. So he was in his new program called the Genius Script, which I'll tell you more about later, or you can find a link below with it if it is you want to know more about it. This teaches you how to stop procrastinating. Imagine that. To activate the reptilian brain like that, right? Now, I cannot give out the secret, but if it is you want to learn to take action and stop sticking, as it were, trust me, you need to get this course. Anyway, tip number 2 that it is you're supposed to stop doing, your habit that you're supposed to stop doing, is stop being a victim. Stop being a victim. It's about time, people. Everybody going through, they're going through. You behaving like if it is you alone going through stuff. Every day will not be perfect. There will be some beautiful days where nothing goes wrong, and there will be some days where you feel like if it is you're being attacked, right? My thing is, don't think of it being like if it is you're being attacked. Find a way to be thankful in every single thing. Find a way. I did a video about nevertheless. It's basically based on being grateful in any situation. Your car break down, be thankful that it is you have money in your pocket to actually take a taxi. You never know if God was protecting you from an accident, right? That is an example, a good example. You don't think so? Right? My whole thing is everybody goes through something. Somebody died, I am sorry, but remember they didn't die for spite. So you mulling over it and like you're going into this zone of depression because you in your mind you're thinking the person leave you and how could they leave you and all these things. People, that is being selfish. Stop acting like if it is usually victim. The person didn't die for spite. I assure you, the person did not die for spite. You need to come out of that and think of it at the end of the day. Hey, this situation is to teach me a lesson. Look at the bright side of the situation. It may not look like if it have a bright side, but find a way to be thankful. Right? Bible talks about in everything give thanks, which means the good and the bad. The good and the bad, people, we have to give thanks. And I'm speaking about myself too, because I mean, if you're looking at this video, this is the year of the corona, right? Where the pandemic, we now coming out of the pandemic, and basically it has been an interesting year. I call it an interesting year. This has been the best year of my life. For some, it has been, they say, the worst year of their life. You have to look at it. It's the way how you look at it, right? It's the way how you choose to look at stuff at the end of the day. If it is you choose to look at stuff in a bad light, then that is what you are attracting. If it is you choose to look at it in a good light, in a positive energy light, then positivity is what exactly you will attract. Laws of attraction, people. You choose what it is you want to attract, right? You choose. So that is number 2 habit that we need to stop. Stop attracting that type of victim mentality, right? So habit number 3, right? So I'm going to talk about something that I spoke about before in a previous vlog. If you haven't seen it yet, it's basically like a review of the Genie script, the same Genie script. Stop saying what it is you don't want. Stop concentrating what it is you don't want, people. We need to stop that. You know, it's our subconscious mind picks up what it is we don't want and what we want. Clearly, you may not understand what it is I'm saying right now, but I'm telling you, your subconscious mind picks up what it is you don't want and what you want. And a lot of the times, what we don't want is what it is we attract, and it's end up manifesting and end up coming into play. The same thing that is we pondering on that we don't want. We don't want this type of man. We don't want this type of house. We don't want to live in this type of area. But yet, we end up attracting it because our mind pondering on it and dwelling on it and attracting that. Right? So do not focus on what it is you don't want. Focus on what you want. Right? Focus on what it is you want. Number 4 thing. I think I spoke about this before in one of my previous vlogs. However, repetition is the best teacher. Repetition is the mother of skill, as my mentor, Wesley Virgin, often says. So, number 4 is stop letting social media rule you. By every morning, you have to go and turn on the news or scroll on social media, right? To see who died of COVID today, How many murders it have today? Who house burned down today? Who got kidnapped today? Right? How many car accidents it had today? Right? First thing in the morning or last thing in the night, you're scrolling, and you're so anxious. You want to see the news. You want to see what's going on in BBC. You want to see what's going on in CNN. Right? And it's messing up your brain. It's messing up your mind. Let me tell you something. I know some people, right? They listen to these talk shows, right? And say, oh, they want to know what it is going on. So they listen to the talk show on the way to work to it. And by the time they reach your work, they're riled up from what it is, from people calling and saying. And it's messing up your mind. It's messing up your mindset. Just imagine all that negative energy coming in first thing in the morning, right? First thing in the morning, it's just coming in. It's you're being bombarded by this. It's like it's clouding your brain. You can't think. You can't think, people. Right? When it is you're supposed to have peace, you're supposed to have some clarity. And by the time you reach to work, or by the time you reach to have breakfast, you're done probably lose your appetite. It's sounding funny, but I'm telling you, people, you messing up your mind big time. That is negative energy. That is negativity all around. Give thanks and praise to God. Practice giving thanks and praise to God when it is you wake up. Thanks and praise to your Creator for waking you up, instead of grabbing your phone first. Same thing when it is you go and sleep. Thanks and praise, Lord, for bringing me through a new day. Because if today can handle you, right, that is how you get into another day. Right? Because today can handle you. You get through to go towards another day. Thank you, Lord. So, people, I hope that I have given you value today. Right? These are just some habits I think that you should stop, right, in order to start manifesting things in your life, because we need to stop holding back ourselves, keeping back ourselves from producing good things in our life, producing blessings in our life, right? Gratefulness goes a long way, right? I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Again, I hope that you have commented. I appreciate you very, very much. I hope that you have touched that subscribe button right there. Please touch that subscribe button right there for me. Thank you. Right? Like this video, share this video, and see you next time on Chrissy's Point of View. Oh, and I forgot. Click the link below, people. Click the link below. You have to check out the genie script, y'all. It's a life changer. For all who want to control your reptilian brain, to take action, right? And stop hesitating to do things in your life. Click that link below and it will show you. I assure you.